Are you looking for the best drones for total beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for total beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic Original Atom 2 Drone. Capture life in a more meaningful way with the Potensic Original Atom 2 drone, designed for people who want their memories to feel real and deeply engaging. Imagine seeing your favorite places from above, where every scene looks more beautiful, more emotional, and full of life. Each moment in the air brings a sense of freedom that inspires you to explore further and create something unforgettable. Gentle and balanced movement helps every recorded view appear natural and pleasing to the eye. Smart assistance builds trust, allowing you to focus on your ideas instead of worrying about control. This compact flying companion fits easily into your daily routine, making it perfect for travel, personal projects, and capturing special occasions that matter most. The modern design reflects simplicity and elegance, offering a comfortable experience that feels easy for anyone to enjoy. Whether you are new or experienced, every flight feels smooth and exciting, opening new ways to see the world around you. Create content that attracts attention and keeps people interested for longer. This advanced drone helps turn simple experiences into powerful memories, making each captured moment feel valuable, emotional, and worth sharing again and again. Number 2. JCMO SX1 3-Axis Gimbal Camera Drone. Experience a new perspective with the JCMO S-X1 drone, designed for those who want every moment to feel vibrant and unforgettable. Imagine gliding above landscapes, capturing scenes that reveal beauty and emotion in ways that ordinary views cannot. Every flight turns simple surroundings into stories that connect deeply with the heart and inspire creativity. Smooth and steady motion ensures each recorded moment appears natural and engaging, bringing life to every frame. Intelligent guidance makes control simple, giving you confidence while focusing entirely on capturing remarkable visuals. This foldable companion fits easily into any adventure, making it perfect for travel, outdoor exploration, or special personal projects that deserve attention. The elegant structure combines strength with style, offering a comfortable grip that feels effortless during use. Whether you are a beginner or a passionate creator, every journey feels exciting, opening doors to new ways of seeing familiar places. The dual camera system adds depth, allowing you to record moments that stand out with clarity and richness. Share content that naturally attracts interest and leaves a lasting impression. This advanced drone transforms everyday experiences into meaningful memories, making each captured scene feel valuable, emotional, and worth revisiting again and again. Number 3. Professional S880 GPS Drone. Step into a world of breathtaking views with the Professional S880 GPS drone, created for those who want every adventure to feel meaningful and unforgettable. Imagine soaring above mountains, lakes, or cityscapes, capturing moments that radiate beauty and emotion. Each flight brings a sense of freedom that turns ordinary scenes into extraordinary memories, connecting you with your surroundings in a way that feels personal and inspiring. Smooth and balanced motion helps every recorded view appear natural, vivid, and engaging. Intelligent navigation support allows you to explore confidently, freeing your mind to focus on creativity instead of control. The touchscreen provides a direct connection to your perspective, making each movement intuitive and satisfying, so you can guide your vision with ease and precision. The sleek design combines strength and elegance, providing comfortable handling for anyone, whether you are new or experienced in drone operation. Each journey feels exciting and immersive, opening new ways to see familiar places from unique angles. Create content that draws attention and leaves a lasting impression on viewers. This advanced drone transforms simple moments into powerful experiences, making every captured scene feel vibrant, emotional, and worth sharing again and again with friends, family, or a wider audience.